Hello. What's up, beautiful people? Thank you, Khadijah. All right, I want you to join in with me. When I point at you, I need you to say, cut the crap and set I free. Can you do that with me? Let's try it. Cut the crap and set I free. Beautiful. You offer me a pension, but I know your intention, your high-powered connection. Cut the crap and set I free. I have not drunk your wine, that blood you shed is mine, your paper I won't sign. Cut the crap and set I free. You're not doing me no favor, I was born a rebel raver. You was a two-faced neighbor, and you think that you have me? Black star liner like I ride the storm. I looked and then I saw the norm. Said up yours, no I won't conform, and just live selfishly. Now you offer me a share and you're acting like you care. But how did I get here? Come, we check the history. You want me if it look like you? It's a phase you're going through. What you offer me just won't do. So cut the crap and set I free. Love, more blacks, more dogs, more Irish, more love, more light. Thank you, Chucky Allah.